Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm just reviewing the MyQ Smart Garage Hub. Basically you can match this with your garage door opener and it will let you control your garage door from your phone. A lot of different ones of these on the market, but I'll put a link down below to this one where you can find one. But I've been using this for a few months now and I really enjoy it, really like it. It's nice because it sends me an alert to my phone, telling me whether or not it's closed. The app works really great. It was really easy to install. Basically you put the sensor here on the door and then I plugged it in. It's sort of the receiver there and the wire kind of goes up there to that plug there. And it works pretty good. I'll do a little demonstration on it here for you guys, showing you how it works. But I really like it. I'll put a link down below. I highly recommend you guys check one out. Again, it's really nice because I can match it with the IFTT app and I'll show you guys how that works too. And after 15 minutes, if the garage door is still open, it'll close, which is nice in case I forget to close it. When I leave, my garage faces an alley, so I don't want anyone to get in here and take stuff. But thanks for watching the video, guys. I'll put a link down below where you can check this out. But let me do a little demonstration here and show you how it works. All right, guys, so I'm in my garage. Got the MyQ sensor installed on the door, which is really easy. It just comes with a little double-sided stick-on tape. And I've had this thing on for a few weeks now. It's holding up really well. It's gotten down to 0 degrees here in St. Louis over the winter. The other one I plugged in up here. It's a little sensor there. And I use that outlet over there. Plug it in. As you can see, got my phone here. Go to the MyQ app. Give it a second to load. So garage door has been closed for an hour. So I click on it. Now it's opening. Lets me know that it opened on the app. I close, it makes a little beeping sound, a blinking light to let me know it's closing. To warn people. Yeah, if somebody's here, you hit the sensor there and it goes back up. It's very safe. Lets you know something was in the way. Lets you know it's still open. And then it'll tell you it failed to close, and then you can just go ahead and close it again. It's a pretty awesome app. If you get this other app called the IFTT app, you can set up a kind of a routine for it. So I have this set up so where if it's open for more than 15 minutes, it'll automatically close. And you can't do that directly through the MyQ app with this model, but you can if you use that one app. So pretty awesome product, guys. And here's a picture of the box. I'll put a link down below where you can pick one of these up on Amazon. I highly recommend it. Makes your garage much more secure. It's really nice to know what's going on with your garage door. Especially me, I'm open to this alley here. People are driving back and forth all the time. So real happy to have it. So thanks for watching, guys. Catch y'all next time. Make sure to check out this product in the link below. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll catch y'all next time.